What if AI could run your architecture design sessions? Days of prep, hours of whiteboarding, all replaced in minutes. Introducing ADS Copilot, your AI solution architect. 3 domains, 24+ patterns, 0 prep required. You speak, it architects. Start a chat, define the current state, design the target architecture, and export a full summary. End-to-end in one conversation. Mermaid diagrams, generated in real time. It listens and consults as a trusted advisor. Voice, avatar, diagrams, export. Everything built in. Built on GitHub Copilot SDK and Microsoft Foundry. Enterprise grade, easy to use. Your AI solution architect is one AZD up away. Free, open source, and ready to deploy. Star us on GitHub.